In downtown Colorado Springs, the Rocky Mountain Motorcycle Museum offers a captivating journey through the evolution of motorcycling. Established in 1992, this nonprofit institution is dedicated to preserving and showcasing the rich heritage of motorcycles and the culture surrounding them. This free museum boasts an impressive array of over 75 antique and classic motorcycles, each meticulously restored to its original glory. Enthusiasts can admire models from renowned brands such as Harley-Davidson, Indian, Excelsior, Ariel, Mustang, VSA, Honda, Cushman, Panther, and Triumph, with some bikes dating back to 1913. The oldest one we saw was a 1914 Indian Twin. Indian's V-Twin was introduced in 1907 and gained the distinctive leaf-sprung forks and rear swing arm in 1913. This extensive collection provides visitors with a unique opportunity to witness the technological and stylistic advancements in motorcycle design over the decades. In addition to the motorcycles, the museum features a rich assortment of authentic period photographs, memorabilia, and art. These exhibits delve into the stories of motorcycling pioneers and the cultural impact of motorcycles throughout history. From vintage riding gear to historic advertisements, the museum paints a comprehensive picture of the motorcycling world. As you move through the decades, you can check out a 1955 Mustang Delivercycle, a 1959 Indian Arrow, a 1989 Buell RS 1200, and a 2014 IndianLarryMetzlerChopper with its hand-fabricated Indian Larry legacy frame and handmade aluminum oil tank. One of the crown jewels of the museum's collection is the all-original one-owner 1956 Harley-Davidson FLH, nicknamed John D's Cherry Pepper, a bike that was purchased new from a Harley-Davidson dealership in nearby Pueblo, Colorado. Also, don't forget to take a look at the Hall of Fame book with legends like Paul Brokaw, who was the editor of Motorcyclist magazine in 1947 and opened up Paul Brokaw Motorcycles in 1949. Or Red Armstrong, who moved to Colorado at the turn of the 20th century and earned the title of Colorado State Champion in 1904. He was also the manager of Indian's factory racing program and chief service engineer, and lived to the ripe old age of 90. Hall of Famer Frank Camp's Indian 149 Arrow Hill Climber is on display in the museum as well. And another fun fact, the museum was named in the top 12 motorcycle museums by Eagle Rider in 2019. So whether you're a seasoned rider, simply curious about motorcycle history, or just love looking at cool bikes, the Rocky Mountain Motorcycle Museum offers an engaging and educational experience for all.